Today's vlog, we're gonna go on the hunt for some AutoWorld slot cars at Hobby Lobby. Let's roll. Little field trip.
John's not coming. He's not invited.
I'm looking at turtles. Look at that rig out there.
Oh yeah, what idiot bought that today?
Dude, I don't know. That thing's legit though. Let's go, Hobby Lobby. That is crazy that they would even build a car with that much travel, because it's like, it doesn't need half of that.
No.
You know, like that car probably has 2 inches of travel.
I'll show you 2 inches.
All right, guys, off to Hobby Lobby. We actually have 3 that are within, I don't know, what do you think, 20 minutes? Orem's probably the farthest.
Yeah,
like
that's
20 minutes.
20 minutes away.
But we're only gonna go to Saratoga Springs today to see what they got. Hopefully they have everything that we need. What we need is kind of relevant because it really just depends on what they have. But we'll go check it out.
What's the deal with those? Like, can you check online to see what they have in stock, or?
Nope. So the way that they work on those things is, I think they call it like electric car or some weird thing like that, and they order a quantity like 20, say, and that SKU will just ring up as electric car, even though the SKU is different, to where the price will be the same no matter what. And so they don't reorder things based on what's bought. They just reorder random amounts of that stuff. If I'm wrong about that and you guys know more than me do on that, let me know. But every time we've went, it's been random stuff.
Different stores have different things.
Yeah, yep, for sure. Different stores. Like one store will have more of the drag cars. The other will have more of the the Magna Traction, X-Traction stuff. But what we do with them is we turn them into either custom cars, or the drag cars, we actually build them up, and we obviously resell them, but we hop them up. So anybody can go to Hobby Lobby, get a great deal on an HO slot car. They don't run the best, but the good thing is Viper makes a lot of parts for those cars to, get you up to speed on them. So we'll go get some, and we will probably run some out of the package, let you guys see how they run, and then once we do like upgrades to them, we'll go from there.
We made it.
Hobby Lobby. UPS is dropping off a lot of slot cars right now. I actually have heard that there's guys, slot car guys, that know people at Hobby Lobby, that when they get restocks, they have those people reach out to them so that they can get first stab at the...
It's like the Hot Wheels guys at Walmart and stuff.
Yeah, it's probably the same guys, honestly. It's like this. It's the same type of person.
Yeah,
but
exactly. Collectors.
Dude, there's so many people coming over here right now.
They're probably here for the 3:21 p.m. slot car rush.
Yeah, that lady was for sure.
Gotta run in there and get it before she does.
A lot of minivans and a lot of Subarus in this parking lot. So hopefully they don't kick us out for filming in there, but let's go check it out.
Take a look and see what we got here.
Heck yeah. Bunch of Hobby Lobby AutoWorld cars. Never seen that one before. These are like Ultra Gs, so T-Jet style. But I'm gonna grab one just to see if I can put it under a dash chassis.
There's a Buick. And a Yanko Deuce. Yeah, lots of them.
Have that one already. We got the Escort. There's another Buick. And a Ford Mustang Boss. That people probably like that, but I don't know. Doesn't look as good as it should,
What about the 62 Bel Air? Did your dad have one of those? What year was his?
I think it was a 62. It's like right before the bubble, or right after the bubble window.
Yeah.
Kind of bummed they don't have more extractions.
Read that, trust me. I won't touch
More drag cars.
Yeah. So kind of light on stuff today.
There would be Kyle.
Got some extraction pit kits over there.
This one?
And over there.
Oh, they had some over there.
There's a
Oh,
few
maybe
more.
there's stuff. But,
Where's that going?
So they're
Alright.
kind of mixed in there.
yeah.
Oh, where's the hole?
Grab these. Let's look over there.
Whoa, is that a Looney Tunes slot car?
I didn't think I looked at that row. Yeah, I think it is.
Whoa.
Janet or one, please. Janet or one, thank you.
Get a couple of pit kits. I don't know, probably do 2 of each of those so that at least have 2. Surprised those are over here. I wonder why those aren't over here.
Wait, Kyle, it's a Honda? Is that Porsche? Can I have it?
The Nova.
That's cool.
Yours open?
Yeah, no extraction though. It's really what I was
Just
wanting.
that Charger right there, and then there's
Yeah.
a Hummer behind it.
Yeah.
Hummer
I
extraction.
think I saw a Bronco or a Blazer.
What's that Charger?
Kind of a bummer.
Yeah,
But what time is it right now? Let's go to the AF store. We'll see.
And go hit up the other Hobby Lobby.
Yeah. All right.
Decent haul for here.
Yep.
Yes.
Look at that thing.
Short wheelbase.
Car tuned. I like that.
Okay, let's go check
All right,
it
let's
out.
roll. Dude, the lady that drives. Where is it? I think it's on the end on our row. She works over there in that glass place.
Yeah.
She's like 4 to 8 minutes late every single day. And if I pull in front of her, I usually will pull over. I'll nose over to where like the front of your car is so I can back in. Dude, she will just like
Go
it's like-
around you every time.
yeah, it's like she is ready to crash you because she's late. That's just life, you know. Whoa, look at those shorts. Yeah. Oh yeah. Not a lot of that in Utah. All right, well, vlog, we're going to the other Hobby Lobby that's down the street. It is a different day, so that's why we magically change clothes, but I'm always wearing, what do you even call this thing?
Flannel.
A flannel. I'm always wearing flannel, so, you know, and I only have like a dozen of them, so there's potential, the 1 in 12 chance that it's the same one. But we're gonna go check out this Hobby Lobby. They sell, oh my goodness, are you kidding me right now?
Jack in the Box right there.
Replaced Arby's.
Don't tell John that. Hopefully
Oh,
someone
dude.
didn't just put the sign there as a
Dude.
joke.
John will freak out. Especially because he can drive by that one to monitor progress.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, I can't wait. We almost should just call him on speaker. We only have a couple Jack in the Boxes up here, so it is exciting.
We can only
getting a new one.
torture our bowels so much. We're looking forward to more torture.
We're calling John to let him know.
Hello?
Hey,
Yeah.
you know that that Arby's that was by Panda Express and like by Home Depot and stuff over here?
Yeah, that's BS. I think someone just said that there.
That sign?
I'm
We-
not gonna take it.
We just drove by it, and I was like, "Whoa, we got to tell John." And Sam's like, "Yeah, someone might have just set that sign there."
No, that's a perfect location for that. I don't think they're gonna build one. We should take that sign.
Yeah.
We'll put it out in front of the
Yeah, I
hobby
mean,
shop.
the next time the wind blows, if it blows it out in the parking lot, it's fair game.
Yeah, maybe they're gonna build one there. I don't know.
Yep.
It would be cool.
All right.
Bye.
Yep, later.
He didn't fall for it.
No, he already saw it. It's old news. Frick. I think that guy died, actually. All right, guys, we pulled into Hobby Lobby. So this is only, what, like 6 miles from the other one? Right?
Yeah.
But the other one is across the valley on the other side of the lake. Totally different kind of people over there. Not saying it's good or bad, but there's definitely a lot different people here, okay? It's just, I'm just stating facts, okay, folks? Got my parking spot right up front. Thank you very much. And hopefully they don't kick us out at this one for filming.
There's Franklin.
We're gonna try to see if we're looking for AutoWorld stuff. So we're gonna try to find some extractions with the import bodies and some better drag cars. And then I actually never drove. I should have drove that T-Jet one or the Thunderjet one before,
Yeah.
because we could have run that. But let's go in and see what they got. Let's see. Hello.
Morning.
What store, or I mean, what side is this one on? I think it's on that side. You know, it'd be actually, you know what would actually make this funny? Is if there was a human on the table. That's what actually. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. Got some other stuff, but is it anything that we want? I didn't grab a basket, but we'll get that guy. Let's see, Super 3s. I'm not gonna even touch those things. And I mean, kind of a bust, dude, again. Just stuff, no more drag cars. Pretty sad haul. These things probably don't care at all about those things. But they do have a set. I haven't actually seen that set before. What is that? California cruising? Dude, California won't even let those cars cruise anymore. Who are you guys joking? Anyways?
Yeah, they're not Honda Civics.
Yeah, and they're not, I mean, I guess they're electric. I wonder if this car how this would look in that case. See, it shows it right there, but it looks a little bit smaller
It's a little
to
small. The scale's a little off.
me. Look, dude, this is $7. It comes with 6 cars.
Wow. I'm sure it does.
Yeah, for sure, right? It shows them, right? Oh wait, display cases only. You know what? If I grab this like that, maybe that's what happens to customers when they buy stuff like this and they're like pissed off at me.
And like,
they
why
think-
doesn't it come with a setup lock?
Yeah, and they actually had their thumb over
Over the part
over
that
the
says
thing.
it doesn't include it.
Man, that's probably what happens. Well, I don't really like any of those cars anyway, so won't get those today. I guess we'll just get this.
Okay.
Really lame. Too bad that wasn't a slot car. Or the thing.
That'd be really cool.
Be like, dude, look at that thing. One time we saw a thing and I was like, look at that thing. And one of my stepsons thought I said a Minx. Or no, I saw a Manx, sorry.
Yeah.
I said, look at that Manx. Which, for those that don't know, Manx is a different type of Volkswagen variation. But he thought I said, look at that Lynx. So he's like looking for a cat. Yeah, it's pretty funny. All right, well, this sucks. Sometimes they have the transporters, which are pretty cool if you combine those with slot cars, but I don't even see any of those, so.
All right, well, that's it for this one, I guess.
Yeah, we'll just get this, head back out to the car. Dude, I parked way crooked. Horrible. you guys have any Slotcars? I'm actually gonna lock it. All right, so not a good haul from Hobby Lobby. I think we wore them out, but we did get, well, I already took the body off of it, but we'll still run it. We did get a T-Jet last time just to try it out, or not a T-Jet. It's a Thunderjet. No, it's not a Thunderjet. Maybe Ultra Jet, I think is what they call them. I don't know, to me it's a freaking T-Jet. But, and then we got this Datsun, which is an X-Traction. We're gonna go try them on the track real quick. Just out of the box, see what happens. Dude, they had one X-Traction truck and that's it. We flick that switch, John. Turn that thing on. Yeah, I think they're tapped out.
Thank you.
Not even gonna bother with the timing system. It did remind me that a lot of guys in the track builds video, they pointed out that we never talked about setting up any of the track mate, but I think I have another video that talks about setting up the track mate. So got the Ultra Jet up first. Maybe make sure that not the track. Come on, why would, oh, I bet is the power supply not hooked to? Oh, it's not even on, bro.
I think the strip was already on.
Okay, now it's on. Okay.
Wow, fast lap.
Really hot lap.
Still better than the Super 3.
Yeah, I passed on those. They had 4 of them there.
Super 3 is the only car I've ever bought that I gave up on. Could not get it to go a lap.
All right, well, that car, I mean, it's a pancake. You could take the magnet out of it. Probably would run a lot worse without the magnet. Next up is the X-Traction. This car is just way too fast. Wonder what arms these have in them, because look at how fast it's wanting to go. I mean, it's like, and it's like chirping the tires. It jumped off the track. It jumped into the yellow lane. Look at that. Oh wait, hold on. Whenever we leave the track on, I usually unhook the way too low of an ohm controller. So this thing is a handful to drive, but this actually will be a fast lap car we'll do today. We'll play around with that. We'll do a fast lap on this guy, maybe even on this guy, but that's gonna wrap up the vlog, guys. Like, kind of a disappointing haul, Hobby Lobby. Hopefully your local Hobby Lobby has better selection, but I definitely would go check it out. These cars, there is quite a bit of upgrades you can do to them. There's, and Viper makes obviously pickup shoes, springs, there's armatures we have available, magnets we have available, rear wheels, tires, guide pins, all kinds of stuff. If you do like tinkering with the slot car, this thing is 22 bucks or something like that with tax. And it could be a fun project for you. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Sorry we didn't have anything more special for you, but there was some funny stuff that happened. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. See you on the next one.